our channel Sanjeev070. So this channel is basically focused on tech explanation videos, and we have tech unboxing videos in our channel. There is a separate playlist for unique data science community which is being evolving day by day, and we'll also contributing to open source community. So do like the channel, subscribe the channel, do like the videos, and comment if you really like the content, and share it with your friends. We have a motto in our channel: tech redefines the nation, which is being tech will definitely redefine the nation and it will explore the nation. Thanks for supporting the channel. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Sanjeev070. In this video we are basically going to unbox a mysterious product from Acer. Likewise, this product is being basically a laptop, so it's a kind of different unboxing that you are being viewing in our channel. So basically, as everyone knows, Acer has introduced many laptops in India. So let's get down and just open the bags, for which Acer is very famous of. And actually it's a 3 packaging system which Acer has sent us. Actually it's one of my friend's laptop which he bought, and so I have a charger. Okay, so next is laptop. So this is a laptop. It's basically given by the Acer. So now let's roll the intro and let's keep on focus and let's see how this laptop performs. So this is the box content that I got. So as you can clearly see, this is a Acer based laptop. So this is basically a model of Acer's Nitro series, and it's none other than Acer Nitro 5 model, which is a very branded laptop and which is a very well focused laptop also. Many of the people didn't know about the Acer laptops. These are being a very close brand in India, as you can see here. So we have different kinds of ports. So now let's go on to the explorations of this laptop. So this laptop is basically a gaming laptop, as you can see from a physical overview. So I think it's shining. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so this is the laptop which I have been ready for the unboxing. Here you can see we have charger, and this is, I suppose, output charger of 60 watts. Yeah, it's 60 watts output charger, and as you can clearly see, it's basically a 60 watt output charger. Here and side we have a configurations regarding the laptop, and it's having this kind of colorful pin, likewise for the better viewing of the experience. And yeah, that's all with this charger. Now let's move on to the laptop. So here we have a glorified screen of our laptop, which you can clearly see. So this is the laptop. As you can see, it actually it's a mistake. It contains 135 adaptive charging in it, and it's a very professional gaming laptop. It has a fast charging of a gaming laptop. Processing and multitasking game can be easily performed, and it has a battery life up to 10 hours, and it's not provided by MS Office, and this color variant which I am having is a black color variant. So basically it contains multitasking, etc., and this costs around 66,000 in the Flipkart recent offers. So basically, but the original price of this one is around 89,990. The link will be again given in the description so that you can purchase this product according to. And this product also comes variant with i7 variant, but the variant which I am having is i5 10th generation variant. So let's explore inside of the laptop. So let's see how this laptop has been completely a gaming oriented laptop. So as you can see from the inside, now let's move on to physical overview. In the left hand part we have a Type-C port USB, as you can clearly see here, Type-C port USB, and we have a type C port, USB port, and we have here HDMI cable, and this is for LAN port, etc. And basically this is for charging. So this is a USB type C charging port, and the dual charge port has been given. So coming back to the left overview, we have an audio jack, and again a type C port, and one mic, and the cooling system in the left hand side. So now coming to the back side of this laptop, in the back, as you can see, there are many critical provided fans are there. So these fans are basically the dual cooling system that Intel offers here, and it comes with NVIDIA graphics. So without wasting time, let's get into the laptop. And from this side of back, you can see there is a clear view of Acer branding, and here are some product details. So since it contains dual cooling, what is beneficial is the pro gamers can exceptionally use it as a primary laptop, and this could serve for the years to come. So it contains RGB lighting, as you can see here. It contains basically RGB lighting, and the brand Acer is also displayed here. So it comes with inbuilt 4 GB graphic card, Intel i5 Core 10th generation processor, and it has 8 GB RAM capacity, DDR4. It comes with 1 TB capacity of hard disk, and the optional is also there for SSD 256 GB, and it has a chipset of Intel MH470. So it's a 2.5 GHz processor, but it can be boosted up to 4.2 GHz ultimately. It has 2 slots, and the 32 GB expandable storage is also there. And we have a graphic processor that is main, that is for the pro gamers. Is we have NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. So I suppose it's a great processor here, and it comes with Windows 10 inbuilt. So again, MS Office is not supported with this. 64-bit architecture, it's been completely based, and it's a 15.6 inch laptop. And again, we have different kinds of RGB lighting in it. So basically these are the specs. It has a dual speakers and dual microphone inbuilt in it, and it has it can support all Ethernet facilities, etc. And its base variant is Intel HD 620 is base variant, and this one is next to the next variant, that's the base variant, and its weight is 2.3 kg. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Let's go into the laptop. So as you can clearly see, the keys are little punchy, but since it's a gaming laptop, we cannot expect more than this from the brand. So as you can see, the lighting can be minimized, and the lighting can be easily offed also. But if you want lighting that you are a pro gamer, then you can increase the lighting here. But these keys are highlighted just because of gaming experience to enhance it contains a 1080p display, full resolution. So basically this display is not edge to edge, it contains bezel in it. So going back to the screen, below we have some kind of specs here, that it has one narrow bezel, and this is a specs that is being presented Nitro 5. We have a gesture type pattern over the mouse here, as you can clearly see over the screen. Once the gesture pattern is completely based, we have a different kind of focuses over the screen. So now let's proceed to the screen. Here we have a 1080p screen, as I already said. This screen comes with an inbuilt webcam, as you can clearly see here. So basically this laptop serves best for the pro gamers, as I have previously mentioned. I think this is one of the greatest laptops that Acer have launched in India. Now let's go into the processing speed and etc. Now let's proceed. As I already mentioned, it's a 1 TB hard disk drive. Here you can see it's Acer i5 10th generation processor, 8 GB RAM, 64 GB variant, 64 architecture, and again it's Acer Nitro. So this is basically Windows 10 home single language it's running. So yeah, it's basically a fluid laptop only. Now let's play some audio video testing so that it could be clear for the audience to buy from it. As the specs mentioned, it has built-in speakers. So let me show you the built-in speakers presented in this laptop. As you close it, we have a couple of dual speakers over the below. As you can see here, it's a 2-watt speaker like in this side, and one speaker is like in this side. So this is basically the side that is being provided for the speakers, but I don't think so this will be loud, as it's a Vivid laptop and it's a gaming. So now let's test audio and video quality in this laptop. Let's test the audio component here. So as you can see,
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
the audio is little vivid, but I suppose the audio could be more framed as it contains a 1080p Full HD display. But yeah, it's audible only. As I kept in the table, as you can clearly see, the dual speakers are being vivid enough. But when it comes to a particular slot, like this way we hide it. So this has been more peculiar, and the team has been more audible to you. I think the bass is too much high, but according to me, the audio's quality is great, as it calls also very effective. Now let's proceed to the camera test. The camera is little bit blurry, but since it's been a displayed camera, the Intel has worked out with well, and yeah, that's all about this camera. Let's take some snapshots. So yeah, it's little blurry, but we can't expect a bit from this camera that is being given by the Intel default camera. So this is the video quality of this video of the camera, and easily you can directly stream your Netflix, Amazon Prime, and here in the display, as it's a very 1080p display, Vivid Full HD Plus. So there will be no good experience regarding the video consumption, and you can't experience any kind of lag that basically people feels. So yeah, this is all about this video, and hopefully you like this video. So if you want, just do let me know in the comments. We'll just do a gaming review in this laptop and this Acer. I'll just definitely provide a link in the description box, so that you can just look into the link, and if you want to buy, just you can buy here. And one more thing, it has a 1920 into 1080p aspect pixel ratio over the screen. The bezels are a little bit punchy, as you can see here, but since it's a pro gaming laptop, we can't expect a more enough vivid screen from the Acer brand. So yeah, we have RGB lighting under 80,000. It's a great laptop. So yeah, let's wind up this video here, and hopefully like the video, hopefully like the channel. A great sub would be exceptionally great help to the channel. Hope you like this video. Do share it with your friends, and do like and subscribe the channel if you really like the content that I put. And yeah, let's meet on next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks.